Welcome to the exciting journey of wooden crafting. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to explore a new creative outlet, working with wood offers endless possibilities, from the rich textures of reclaimed wood to the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands. This craft is both fulfilling and environmentally friendly. As you embark on this journey, you will discover the joy of transforming simple materials into beautiful, functional art pieces that can enhance any space. In this video, we'll explore various aspects of starting a small business centered around wooden crafts. You'll learn about the essential tools and techniques, as well as tips for marketing your creations and managing customer relationships. The beauty of wooden crafting lies in its accessibility. With just a few basic skills and a passion for creativity, you can bring your ideas to life. Join us as we delve into the world of wooden crafts, where your imagination can flourish and your entrepreneurial dreams can take shape. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of wooden crafting, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might be interested. Your support helps us grow and create more engaging content for you. We appreciate your feedback and encourage you to stay with us until the end of the video, as we'll be sharing valuable tips and insights that can help you kickstart your own small business. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So let's dive in together and uncover the endless possibilities of woodworking. Wooden crafts have long been a popular avenue for creative expression and entrepreneurship. For beginners, using reclaimed or scrap wood can make this venture even more appealing. Not only is it cost-effective, but it also promotes sustainability by repurposing materials that might otherwise end up in a landfill. By starting a small business focused on wooden crafts, you can contribute to environmental conservation while creating unique, handcrafted items for your community. Understanding reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is sourced from old buildings, furniture, or pallets, giving it character and history. This type of wood is often rich in texture and color, making it ideal for crafting. When starting your small business, consider sourcing reclaimed wood from local suppliers or salvage yards. This not only supports local businesses, but also reduces the carbon footprint associated with new wood production. Understanding the characteristics of reclaimed wood can help you create products that stand out in the market. Basic tools for crafting. Before diving into crafting, it's essential to equip yourself with some basic tools. A handsaw, sander, drill, and wood glue are foundational tools for any woodworking project. For beginners, power tools can be intimidating, but many simple techniques can be accomplished with hand tools. Start with a few essential items and gradually expand your toolkit as you gain confidence and experience. Familiarize yourself with each tool's proper usage to ensure safety and efficiency in your crafting process. Simple crafting technique. Begin with simple techniques that don't require extensive woodworking skills. For instance, basic cutting and sanding can transform reclaimed wood into beautiful decor. Techniques like staining or painting can further enhance the wood's natural beauty. Learning to join pieces using simple methods, such as doweling or pocket screws, can open up more possibilities for your creations. These techniques allow you to craft items that are not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Weekend crafting projects. One of the advantages of wooden crafting is that many projects can be completed over a weekend. This makes it a perfect side hustle for those looking to start a small business while maintaining a full-time job. Plan your projects in advance, setting aside specific times during the weekend to focus on crafting. This dedicated time can help you stay organized and motivated, making it easier to balance your crafting with other commitments. Product ideas for the home. When considering what to create, Think about items that can be used in various spaces within the home. Wooden crafts can be practical and decorative, making them ideal for kitchens and living rooms. Consider products like serving trays, coasters, or wall art that can enhance the ambience of these areas. Items such as wooden planters or floating shelves can also appeal to customers looking to add a rustic touch to their home decor. Marketing your wooden crafts. Once you have a collection of crafted items, it's time to market your small business. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook to showcase your creations. High-quality photos that highlight the details of your work can attract potential customers. Additionally, consider participating in local craft fairs or markets to gain exposure and connect with your audience. Building a brand that resonates with customers will help you establish a loyal customer base. Managing customer relationships. Providing excellent customer service is essential for any small business. Engage with your customers through social media. Respond to inquiries promptly and ask for feedback on your products. Creating a positive relationship with your customers can lead to repeat business and referrals. Consider offering customization options to meet specific customer needs, further enhancing their shopping experience. Environmental considerations. As you embark on your wooden crafting journey, keep environmental considerations in mind. Promote the sustainability of reclaimed wood in your marketing materials to appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Emphasizing your commitment to the environment can differentiate your brand in a crowded market. Additionally, consider using non-toxic finishes and paints to enhance the eco-friendliness of your products. Expanding your product line. Once you have established your small business, think about expanding your product line. You could explore other crafting techniques, such as woodbinding or combining wood with other materials like metal or fabric. This diversification can attract a broader audience and keep your offerings fresh. Regularly updating your inventory with new designs can also encourage repeat visits from customers. Setting pricing strategies. Pricing your wooden crafts appropriately is crucial for profitability. Consider factors such as material costs, labor, and market demand when setting prices. Research similar products to gauge competitive pricing, but ensure that your prices reflect the quality and craftsmanship of your items. Offering occasional promotions or discounts can also attract new customers while maintaining profitability. Starting a small business centered around wooden crafts is not only a rewarding endeavor, but also an opportunity to make a positive impact on the environment. By utilizing reclaimed wood and simple crafting techniques, beginners can create unique products that resonate with customers. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion for woodworking into a thriving small business that brings joy to your community and generates profit. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in the world of wooden crafting. If you found the content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful videos. And don't forget to like and share this with friends and fellow crafters who might benefit from it. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating more engaging content. We hope you're inspired to start your own crafting journey and explore the endless possibilities that await you in this rewarding craft. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and tips in our upcoming videos.